For this question, we've been asked to calculate the distance between the points 1, 2 and minus 4, 5. So we know from the work we've done so far that the distance between 2 points is defined as the square root of x1 minus x2 all squared plus y1 minus y2 all squared. Now it doesn't matter which one we call x1, y1 and x2, y2. So I'm going to say my x1, y1 is going to be the point 1, 2. And I'm going to say that x2, y2 is the other point, which is minus 4 and 5. So therefore, my distance is going to be the square root of x1 minus x2. So that is 1 minus 4 all squared plus y1 minus y2, which is 2 minus 5 all squared. So that gives us the square root of 1 minus 4, which will give me 5, that's 5 squared, which is 25, plus 2 minus 5, which is minus 3, and minus 3 squared is 9. And 25 plus 9 is 34. Therefore we have the square root of 34. Therefore the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 34.